Welcome to week 2. Well done on completing week 1 of your module. In week 1, as a recap, we defined the concept administrative reform. We examined the evolution of administrative reform. We also examined the theoretical approaches used in administrative reform. In week 2, we are going to focus on the trends in administrative reform with specific emphasis on what has been happening on the African continent. In that regard, our learning outcomes are as follows. At the end of this week, we should be able to examine trends in the development of public sector reforms. We should also be able to analyze the application of administrative reform strategies in practice around Africa. And finally, we should be able to analyze the potential benefits and problems associated with administrative reform in African countries. As we engage in these activities during this week, key questions to consider include the following. What are the reform experiences around Africa? What have been the best practices to date? And finally, what are the challenges African countries have experienced in seeking to improve public sector performance? Enjoy the week ahead and remember to complete your activities ahead of the scheduled deadlines.